Energy is invisible. Energy is eternal. And you are a big part of that. And I'm going to prove it to you. Welcome. Today we're talking about one of the most fascinating truths about existence itself. Energy is eternal. Energy never dies. And not only that, it is a fundamental part of you. That means the energy within you is eternal also. Let's explore what that really means. Simply, clearly, and in a way you can feel. You may be wondering, what actually makes energy eternal? That's a great question. Let's start with something very basic from science, a law that is immutable. It just means it cannot be changed, just like the law of gravity cannot be changed. That law says this: energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only move or shift and change form. Think about lighting a candle. The wax doesn't disappear. It transforms into heat, which is thermal energy, and light, which is another form of energy. The candle isn't gone, it just changed form. Now, look at this diagram. There are many types of energy. There's kinetic energy and potential energy, thermal energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, all experienced in different ways, yet all parts of the same continuous flow. And the same is true for the energy inside of you, always moving, always transforming, never ending. Right now, in this moment, your body is a powerhouse of energy. Your heart beats using electrical energy. If you go to a hospital or doctor, they may have an EKG machine, which is short for an electrocardiogram machine. It measures the electrical energy in the heart. You can't see that electricity, but the machine can measure its frequencies. Another example is your muscles. They move using chemical energy. And where does that chemical energy come from? From the very food you eat. Food energy, the calories, are transformed through digestion into usable energy for your body. Even your thoughts and emotions, they carry energy as electrical signals in the brain. An EEG machine measures that activity. So this invisible energy is what keeps you alive, connected, and aware. And here's the truly powerful part. Hey, I just want to pause here for a moment. If this message is resonating with you, I invite you to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss future conversations like this. All right, let's get back to the video. When your body stops functioning one day, and yes, it will, that energy does not disappear. Just like the candle, it transforms. The physical body ceases, but the energy connected to it is eternal. That's why when people die, you may hear phrases like, oh, they've passed on, or they made their transition, or they've gone on to glory. All different types of language being used there, but it's the same truth. The energy has moved on. You can think about it this way. You are made of energy that has existed since the beginning of time. That energy flows through your body, powers your cells, and connects you to everything around you. And when the physical body is no longer needed, that energy continues. It leaves that body and moves on. It returns to the greater flow of life. You can see this through a scientific lens, molecules returning to the earth, or you can view it through a spiritual lens, consciousness continuing its journey. Regardless of which way you view it, the core truth remains the same. Energy never dies. And neither does the energy that makes you, you. So, what can we do with this knowledge? Here are a few simple ways to connect with and honor your energy. Number one, breathe deeply. Your breath is energy in motion. Feel it moving through you. Number two, stay active. Movement is medicine. Movement allows energy to flow freely. Number three, spread kindness. Love and possibility create energy that ripples outward and touches others. In conclusion, I want you to remember this. Energy connects everything: your thoughts, your body, and the universe itself. Your energy is part of that eternal flow. It is powerful, it is infinite, and it is uniquely you. Yes, you are a miracle. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this message helps you see the world and yourself in a whole new light. Oh, and light is energy too. You're not just living with energy, you are energy, and that energy is eternal. Until next time, stay inspired and keep shining your light. Bye. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I truly appreciate you for doing that. If something in today's message spoke to you and you're ready to make meaningful, lasting changes in your own life, I'd love to connect with you. You can book a complimentary discovery call at sunnytlc.com, or you're welcome to email me directly, sunny@sunnytlc.com. Let's explore whether working together feels right for you. But until the next time, remember, the power is within you. Peace, love, and many blessings.